Introducing body wash, shampoo, and conditioner that cares not only your skin and hair, but also your tired mind. Heavening Perfect Body Wash, Shampoo, and Conditioner. Take care of your body skin as precious as your face. From the shower stage with Heavening Perfect Body Wash. Heavening Perfect Body Wash is a truly perfect body wash with rich foam, perfect cleansing power, moisturizing effect, and sweet scent. The soft foam cleanses your skin without irritation. The rich foam makes you feel better when you take a shower. Cleanse the sweat, dirt, dead skin cells, and oil accumulated throughout the day. With mild ingredients, you can cleanse sensitive skin without irritation. The sweet fragrance of the floral base is excellent, even for lasting power. The gentle scent that lasts even after the shower is over will make your sleeping magical. You can't miss Heavening Perfect Shampoo and Conditioner. It will take care of your hair with a refreshing feeling, rich nutrition, and pleasant scent. The perfect shower mates. Heavening Perfect Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash for you. Engage magic in your shower time with Heavening Perfect Series.